Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A42, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. Now to get started, let's open up settings, and from here you want to scroll down to storage. So looks like in here it's going to be somewhere else, so let's see. I think it's going to be simpler just to search it, so there we go. So it's in device care. Storage. From here you'll see your SD card, so let's tap on it, and there we go. It's under advanced for some reason. So as you can see, there's the SD card, and under that we have advanced, and in here we have the again SD card, and finally we have the format option. It's fairly well hidden, but there we go. So once you tap on it, it will give you a message that this SD card needs to be formatted before you can use it. Okay. Format will erase any existing content on the SD card, so let's just tap on it. Now, like I said, it will remove everything that is on that card, and if there is anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise it will be lost permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't care, well, then the process will basically format it, and once it's finished, which it is right now, click on done and you're finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.